Hey guys, so it's Father's Day today, and I got some stuff for my father. I got him a knife. His favorite drink is a Monster. That, another knife, and then that loud pipe save lives, a sticker, because he got a new bike for Father's Day, a motorcycle. He's out there riding on it right now. And then I got that one. So let's go give it to him. Let's go give it to him. Okay, we're going to give it to him. Oh, period. He's on it.
The last 3 have been checked.
Good. Yeah, as long as you're getting paid over the table, you'll be able to get it. Burning my back!
Is it in their system, even though if I don't have it over there, and I have checks there, and I cash it?
No, but you should have pay stubs, right? You should have
Do you like it, Dad? Here.
What's that?
Other stuff
Hold on.
for you.
Get it.
Muffin jug.
Thanks, buddy.
And I got this monster for you.
in because you're not paying taxes.
Oh, yeah.
But it's under the table, you don't have to tell them.
Plug this into the horn. Wow. It is loud. Motherfucker burnt the fuck out of me twice now.
Yeah, honey, you can't fucking...
The first one is funny as fuck. He goes and he's all, ow, fuck, I burnt my leg.
This one, the big one, it has a nice blade on it.
It has a bottle opener too.
Well, I don't care. I'm giving you some anyways.
Oh, yeah. It's my kind of knife right there. Fuck, dude. What do you think I'm gonna do with this?
I don't know.
He debated on which one to get you, so he just got both the ones that he thought you would like.
Oh, yeah.
He went up and begged to get paid today so he could go get you something for Father's Day.